You are going to love the 2015 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, one owner, power steering, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.